Hello everyone and welcome to the FinLearn Academy and Entrep software. So in a week gone by, we have seen that means index has did well. In a truncated week, it has closed near about a 3% on a positive side. So if we come to the daily chart of it just to view, this is what the development that we have seen. That means there was a strong red candle earlier, but again it has formed a green candle which is opening from the midpoint of the red candle, and thereafterwards we have started to pick up its momentum. The same kind of the scenario we have seen in the earlier days as well. In such kind of scenarios that we have seen over here, and similar to that, we have seen the formations over here, and it has resulted into the positive momentum. So almost all the trading sessions we have seen that they have pushed on the higher side. So it is in a positive development, and index has surpassed a 11,300 level, which we were considering a certain kind of the reactions in the earlier week. So it is also in a positive development. That means it has taken out the reactions points. But the thing is that means if you'll pay an attention on the monthly chart or a weekly chart on the line chart, we will understand that means this is what the broader range is going on after the very huge amount of the price improvement. Means let's say this is what the improvement that we are seeing from the downside, that is in a 11,000 is acting as in a support level. On the high side, the recent high which is formed around this means this is what 11,600 level. So this is what the upper band that we are seeing, and this range is somewhere somewhat coincided to its an early level. Let's say this is what the peak point of one time, and this is again the peak point of another time. So in these two range we are seeing that means a good amount of the price consolidation is happening. And if we see the anatomy of the retracement, then means whenever the fall has happened and prices has come back to this range to its in a previous range or near to previous range, they have consolidated for some while. Means let's say this is what then a strong declining momentum has happened, and thereafterwards whenever the prices has come back near to that level, it is at least consolidated 3 to 4 months back over there, and thereafterwards it has taken the another directions. So in this way, means prices has come down, it has all the way picked up its momentum in this range right now. So after a huge amount of the price fluctuations, there are high chance that means prices can consolidate in this month, in the October month. So what can be the broader range for it? So it can be well explained on the line chart. So 11,000 on the lower side and 11,600 on the higher side can become a broader range for it for October month, we can say. And more about the price fluctuations we will see in this range. Coming to the daily time frame, and just to understand the immediate levels point for the short term perspective. So yes, it is into the improvement or as 11,300 the resistance point that it has taken up, so it is into the positive momentum right now. But the thing is that means immediate resistance that we can see is around this level. Let's say this is what our high point, this is what our low point, and with this improvement the prices has come at an 11,400 level, which is nothing but an 61.8 retracement level. But this resistance level we can consider it as in glass resistance, because there is no any kind of the selling pressures that we have witnessed. So resistance, but we can take it within a pinch over here, because there is no seller presence is witnessed over there. Secondly, if the prices are somewhere able to sustain about the 11,400 level, so it indicates a certain kind of the more positivity, and upper band resistance can comes around this point. So this is again 11,500 to 11,600 range. So on the upper side, if we see that means 11,400 level, as of now we are in underlying tone is in a positive, but around this level we need to be a little bit cautious that how the prices are reacting over there. If the prices are able to surpass this level 11,400 level in coming sessions, so it can give a further more improvement, and upper band or immediate resistance we can see it around the 11,500 to 11,600 level. On the lower end, however, the level has been hugely deviated, or risk reward ratio is a little bit skewed, because a good run up has happened in previous gone by week. So support band that we can see is near about this level, that is 10,900 to 10,700 level. But as we look at the broader picture, the prices are a little bit on the consolidation range, that is 11,600 on the high side and 11,000 level on the low side. So right now to chase the momentum will be not that much favorable from the risk reward perspective, but of course from a short term perspective or intraday or one or two kind of the trading sessions, we can take a call accordingly. Means as of now the momentum is positive, but if we want to create some positions for a little bit broader perspective, so in these situations risk reward ratio is a little bit skewed. So whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.